Kahit anong kuskus natin, hindi talaga matanggal ang stain. So, it's either paltan or pinturahan. Magandang hapon, maulan na hapon sa lahat. Today it is June 30, 2024. A blessed Sunday to everyone. And it's last day of the month. Diray na bukas, nakakalahati na ang taon. So, yan, lakas ng ulan. Katatapos lang natin maglinis sa labas at umulan. So, a blessed Sunday to everyone. Have a great day. Magandang hapon or magandang gabi. Well, it's around 6:20 p.m. At happy Monday! It is July 1, 2024. First day of the month. Yan. Naririnig niyo ba yun? Di ba kuliglig yun? Tama ba? Yep. Well, hindi tayo nakapag good morning today video kasi almost 4 AM na ako nakatulog and then nagising ako past 1 PM kanina. So, and happy Monday, take care. Magandang tanghali, happy Tuesday. It is June 2, 2024 and it is almost noon, 12, magto 12 PM. Okay. And natulog tayo ng 5 AM, nagising tayo ng past 9 AM. Yan. Nakapagtanghalian na rin tayo. Mamaya na tayo magwawalis dahil mainit. So, hindi na tayo na oversleep ngayon. Kahapon naman, oversleep tayo kasi past 3 AM yata ako natulog. Tapos nagising ako past 1 PM. So, yun. Hopefully, maayos na yung tulog natin. Nandito tayo sa original view. May hangin naman, but ang init pa rin. Diba? Ayan o. Yan. Happy Tuesday. Take care. Nilagang baka for lunch. With patis, kalamansi, sili. Thank you, Papa BJ. I love you. Good morning! Happy Wednesday! Nandito tayo ulit sa gilid ng bahay. Side view dahil magluluto tayo. Ayan, patunay na it's Wednesday, July 3, 2024, and it's around 7:42 a.m. Yan. Magluluto tayo ng, hindi ko alam kung pwede kong sabihin kasi medyo weird yung pangalan ng lulutuin natin. Sabihin na lang, or islangin na lang natin. It's Poke Poke. Yan. Pagbilang ko ng 3, luto na yan. Ay, wait lang. Ito, yan yung mga buto ng kamatis. Ipapatanim natin na yan kay V. Kasi si V, magaling yun magtanim. Magaling magtahi, mag-crochet. Multi-talented. Yan. Giniling na karne, pork, and bawang and sili. Pinagkahalo ko talaga yan. Kamatis, sibuyas, and talong. So, it is spicy hokey pokey. Yun. Makikita nyo na lang yung spelling later sa mga hindi nakakaalam. In 1, 2, 3. Tada! Yan po ang ating spicy pokey pokey. Ito na. Let's eat! Ayan guys, ang kain. Maaraw pero hindi mainit. Oh, it's already 10:30 a.m. at nagising pa rin tayo. Good morning, happy Thursday. Today it is July 4, 2024 and this is around 7:50 a.m. Ihahatid natin si V dahil may choir practice sila. Kahit nakabakasyon, if you're a member of a choir, it is a commitment. So every time may upcoming performances, they need to practice. Ganun talaga. And also, happy 4th of July to our friends and family there in the US. Have a great day. Wake up na, baby. Good morning. Nag-choir practice kayo, diba? Morning. Wake up na. Ito, pera mo.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
Pamasahin mo din yan, ha?
O pauwi.
Ha? Hindi. Itatawag ba kita ng tricycle ngayon?
No. Baby good. Baby good. Baby good.
Legit panipuri. Nabili namin sa mga taga Antipolo. Nabili namin sa kanto ng Nayong Silangan, tapat ng All Homes. Try nyo na, guys. Good afternoon. It is July 5, 2024. Happy Friday. Ayan. Pagigising na natin. It is around 2:10 p.m. So, it's really good afternoon and maulan na hapon sa inyong lahat. Well, kagabi or kahapon or actually kagabi, it was kind of bad for me, but I'm okay, no need to worry. Nakatulog naman tayo before 3 o'clock, so obviously it's oversleep na naman. Makakabalik din naman, wala, tiwala lang, makakabalik pa rin naman tayo sa tamang routine. Wag lang tayong maiinit. Ganun talaga. We just need to be patient with this kind of situation. Ganun lang. And kakain muna kami ni ate. Ang ulam namin ay pritong May mga bata. Pritong, ano nga ba? Pritong hito sa kanila because I don't eat hito. And then pritong galunggong for me. That's my favorite fish. Bye for now. Take care. I'm okay. Maulan talaga. Ito ang ulam natin. Wala nang ulo yung galunggong. Kasi kinain na ni Papa James yan. Ito din kinakain yan. And that is my galunggong. Kain tayo! Hi ate! Lakas ng ulan! Watching! Golden Prince.
Nakikita yung tiyan ko.
Hindi, yung kamay lang.